that further on 22nd February 2018, the said group stole livestock at Wagwashe, 15 cows, 10 cows in Kieni, and 12 cows in Dideka. That efforts to resolve this matter has been futile, and that the matter presented in this petition is not pending before any tribunal or court of law. Therefore, your humble petitioner pray that the National Assembly, through the Departmental Committee on Administration and National Security, 1, recommends immediate deployment of more security personnel along Kamweje, 18, Wagwashe, and Olomolan border to enforce law and order in Laikipia West constituency. 2, recommends establishment of more anti-stock theft unit ASTU stations, and more specifically, establish an anti-stock theft unit permanent base in Kamweje and Wagwashe. 3, recommends that the police officer be well stocked, patrol vehicles be provided, and other necessary facilitation and support to the officers be provided. And 4, recommends recruiting more National Police Reservice, NPR, and free equipping them, including remuneration and patrol vehicles. 5, recommends that the owner of Laikipia Nature Conservancy be encouraged to over 100-meter clearance buffer zone along the fence to allow for clear security surveillance, thus averting attacks. 6, recommends that security road between Kamweje and Olomolan through Wagwashe be done to facilitate security surveillance and patrols. And finally, ensures that the petitioner's plight is addressed and makes any other order or direction that it deems fit in the circumstances of a case. And your petitioners will ever pray. Presented by myself, Patrick Mariru, member of Laikipia West constituency. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.